Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel. Use thises, sentences for kids. This is my favorite toys.
Favorite toy.
This is a blue ball.
Blue ball.
This is my pet cat.
Pet cat.
This is a sunny day.
Sunny day.
This is my new book.
New book.
This is a red apple.
Red apple.
This is my best friend.
Best friend.
This is a tall tree.
Tall tree.
This is my bike.
Bike.
This is a big house.
Big house.
This is a green leaf.
Green leaf.
This is my drawing.
Drawing.
This is a soft blanket.
Soft blanket.
This is my school.
School.
This is my new hat.
New hat.
This is a cute puppy.
Cute puppy.
This is my teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
This is a pretty flower.
Pretty flower.
This is a fast car.
Fast car.
This is my lunch box.
Lunchbox.
This is my pencil.
Pencil.
This is a nice park.
Nice park.
This is my backpack.
Backpack.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and share.